Is it still safe in Boracay? Hi, I'm Miss Yan and come with me for a morning jog here in the island. Medyo late na ako nagising today and it's around 6 o'clock in the morning already and I know mainit na talaga so kailangan natin mag-sunblock. And doon tayo magja-jogging sa New Coast, Boracay. Yun yung favorite spot ko pa magja-jogging kasi maganda yung ambience doon and malapit lang sa bahay namin and also secure din siya kasi may mga security guards doon. So New Coast, Boracay is a private property here in the island pero open siya sa public kapag magja-jogging kayo or magtutour or pupunta sa beach nila. Basta meron lang kayong dalang ID kapag papasok kayo kasi hinahanap yun ng mga guard bago kayo makapasok. Isa ito sa favorite location ng mga tourists or locals na mga nagja-jogging, nag-exercise, tumatakbo. Kasi ang ganda ng ambience ng lugar na to and also very safe din siya kasi marami silang security guards dito. Sulit din talaga guys ang pag-exercise nyo dito kasi hindi lang maganda yung lugar, very picturesque pa siya. Pwede kayo mag-post-post, mag-picture taking sa mga madadaanan yung mga location bago kayo makarating doon sa beach mismo ng New Coast. Meron silang malawak na golf course dito and dito rin pala located yung mga condominiums na mga binibenta. So ang ganda ng mga properties dito kasi by the beach talaga siya. So kung naghahanap kayo ng magandang property dito sa Boracay, I highly recommend this place. It's very safe, picturesque, very peaceful talaga dito. They even have their own 7-Eleven here, so very convenient. Dito din pala located yung mga malalaking hotels like the Chancellor Hotel, Savoy Hotel, and Belmont Hotel. The staffs are also very kind here kasi pinayagan nila kami gumamit ng CR nila. Meron din sila ditong tattoo shop and also iba't ibang restaurant and also dito din located yung bagong open na Wolfgang, yung luxury steakhouse. At this point ay medyo malapit na tayo doon sa pinaka-beach ng New Coast.
So update guys, tignan nyo yung hulas ko. Ito na ako kapawis. Pero yung asawa ko, ay wow, fresh na fresh pa rin. Hindi mo naman yan. Napakagwapo pa rin. Ba't di pinagpapawisan to?
And I almost forgot to mention, dito rin pala guys located yung famous na rock formation na Keyhole of Boracay. So ayan, tanong na namin siya. Pwede natin siya pupuntahan today kasi sa beach tayo today. So let's talk about Boracay safety. Safe nga ba sa Boracay? Alam kong hindi nalingid sa kaalaman natin yung mga recent na balita tungkol sa nangyari sa Boracay. And personally, I really think that it's so saddening and tragic. At lalo na nung nalaman kong sa isla mismo nangyari yun. I received this message from someone who is not my mutual friend dito sa Facebook. And matagal niya na pala itong nasend, kasagsagan pa nung issue. Pero hindi ko siya na-open kasi nasa message request ko siya. So, I will address this question now. For someone like me who grew up in the island, this is really a shocking news kasi I have known the island for being lively, fun, and wonderful lang, and nalaman ko may mga ganun mga nangyayari. Kaya we are also very worried, especially also it will impact the tourism industry and we are in the travel business, kaya nag-worry talaga kami. My sympathy and condolences goes to the family of the victim because no one deserves to be treated like that. Laganap na talaga ngayon ang mga kasamaan at mga halang kaluluwa, kaya mag-ingat tayo guys, doble ingat talaga tayo. Huwag tayo basta-basta magtiwala sa mga strangers and also we should always listen to our instincts. Nagpapasalamat din kami sa mga local authorities dito sa Boracay kasi mabilis nilang inaaksyonan yung nangyari and also they are doubling the security and safety of the locals and the tourists, so we can say that Boracay is safe now. Although it shouldn't have happened in the first place, but I hope it would teach us a lesson that we should never let our guard down. Once again, this is Miss Yan of Boracay and take care of yourself guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.